With fractions, we start out with n and put that up top and then divide that by d, where n is the numerator and d is the denominator. Now, with the denominator, it can never be 0, and that is because division by 0 is not defined. In other words, we can never divide something by 0. D cannot not be 0. You can't divide something by 0. Two fractions are equivalent if they represent the same number. What exactly does this mean? Well, we have a fraction of 6/27 listed below, and we also have a fraction of 14/63. Now, they are said to be equivalent of each other if they represent the same number. How do we know if they're equal or not? Well, what we do is we reduce each fraction to the lowest terms by dividing both the numerator up top and the denominator down below by their greatest common divisor. So we're going to divide basically the whole thing by the same number. So 27 can be divided by 3, and that equals 9, and 6 can be divided by 3, that equals 2. So we have 2/9 on one side, and if we look at the other equation, we want to know if we can get it down to that low number, and what we'll do is we're going to divide that by 7, and that will tell us whether or not that's equal to 2/9. So 63 divided by 7 is 9, and 14 divided by 7 is 2, so we write this as 2/9. So in this case, these two fractions are equivalent and they represent the same number. What we basically have to do is we have to divide both the numerator and denominator by the greatest common divisor, and then we try to get our number and determine whether or not they're equivalent. Now next, what we're going to do is we're going to try to determine how to change mixed numbers into fractions. Below we have 3 3/4. And what we're going to do is we are going to rewrite that as a fraction. So we're going to have 3 plus 3/4. Okay, with 3/4, or with the 3 number, we're going to put it up top. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a 3, we're going to multiply it times 4, because 3 written as a whole number would be considered 3 times 4, which is going to be 12. And then we're going to add 3 to that, and then we're going to keep our bottom number the same because we want to know how many fourths we have. So 3 times 4 is 12. We'll rewrite that as 12, and then we add 3. 12 plus 3 is going to equal 15. So in this case, we're changing 3 3/4 to 15/4. So that is how you would change a mixed number into a fraction. Now, for more information on fractions, I have a bunch of different links listed up top. You can learn how to subtract fractions, add fractions, multiply fractions, divide fractions. Anything you have a question on, you can go ahead and click on the link up top, and there will be a corresponding video to that. Thank you for watching.